Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to create email groups in Gmail, so that way if you want to email multiple people at the same time, you don't have to keep typing in their email addresses one at a time manually or finding them from your contacts and that type of thing. So to do so, you're going to have to go to your Google Contacts to set this up, and that's easy to do. Just click on the Google Waffle here for the Google Apps, go to Contacts. Okay, and then while you're here, simply click on Create Contact, and you want to click on Create Multiple Contacts. Now the key here is to give it a label so you know what it is. So let's say we're going to call this sales team. Like so, just press enter so that label's created. Now we could add the addresses. So let's say it's bob@email.com and then a comma. So you could just type in each one until you have them all listed. Just put a comma in between. Or if you have a CSV or vCard, you could import them right into here. Okay, press enter to kind of get them in the list there. Then click on create. Okay, then you'll notice you have your label down here that you just made. So you could click on the pencil to edit the name. You could delete the label. You could click on the label to view it. And then you could come in here and mark contacts as favorites, edit the contact, hide from contacts, delete, remove from label, print, export, and so on. You could print your list here. You could export the list. You could change the density. So to add someone else to your group, you can't do it from here. You need to go back to your contacts. Let's say we want to add Abby. We could simply just select that user and then pick the label. Okay, and then we go back to labels here. Now you can see we have Abby. Okay, so now to use your email group here, just click on Compose. And you can start typing the name, sales team, right there, and it automatically puts them in there. Or click on the to box, then you could pull it from the drop down here and select all, or you could select just certain users from your label or group and then insert. You have the same thing. So that's a good way to do it if you want to send something to your group but you don't want to have everybody from your group. Let's say you're doing a custom email and there's some people you want to leave out, or you could simply just add the group and then come in and uncheck the ones you don't want here, like so. So once again, from Gmail, just go to your contacts, or you could do it from the Google page. Create contact, create multiple contacts, give it a name. This is essential. If you don't give it a label, you're not going to see it. Let's just say test here. Press enter. Then just type in the names of the people. Click on create, and then you'll have your email label. So just think of an email group in Gmail as an email label, kind of like they do for their folders. The folders are also called labels. So if you go back out here, you have your labels, which are actually technically folders. So Google likes to use the term label instead of folders and use label instead of group contacts. So just keep that in mind. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.